guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Bohobabe, and they sent me some beautiful 16 inches pre-twisted passion twist hair. I live for pre-twist passion twist hair just because it saves me a lot of time, a lot of energy, and just quick dip and go. But yeah, they sent me these in 16 inches. I think they sent me 8 packs, and in each pack there are 12 strands. So 8 pack, 12 strands. I used the entire 8 packs, 12 strands. Like, my head's big, okay? But if you have like an average size head, then you could probably use less. Or actually, I think my head's a average size still. I think my head is 22.5. So yeah, I think you guys are fine. But I already went ahead. Oh my gosh. Like, why is that? But anyways, I already went ahead and did my braids because I am doing the braiding method, in which you just braid down your hair and just attach the passion twist. Like, it's literally the easiest way to do it. Just put your hair, just braid it down like you would normally do it for a wig, and you pretty much just attach the hair using this tool that they will send to you. They will send it to you if you're supposed to order these passion twists. So all I did was just did the loop and pull method. Is it loop and pull? What am I saying? Loop and pull method. But anyways, there's a loop that you a loop is at the beginning of the passion twist, where you literally just use the tool that they send to you, that it's like a crochet needle, and push it under your hair, lock the hair in place, pull it, and pretty much just pull it through. Like, it's easy. The hair is soft. The hair, literally, when I was finished with it, it was literally giving me mixed vibes. And it's perfect for the winter time, because I always say this over and over again. Wintertime and natural hair does not really mix. Like, it dries out your hair like that. So to be able to put your hair in a protective style but still have that natural effect, these the best. Okay, the best. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I pretty much just attach these here. is pretty much the final look. I just found this hair accessory that I had purchased from Amazon a long time ago, and I didn't use them, so I decided to just put it on my hair. It actually looked cute with it, no lie. Like, I actually liked it with it. But yeah, this is pretty much the final look. All I'm doing is just adding this one last touch to the hair, and look how that kind of just gave the hair more life. Okay, definitely did. But yeah, everything will be in the description box with the links to the hair. All the details will be in the description box. Once again, I would like to thank Boohoo Hair for sponsoring this video. I love these hair. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But yeah, thank you guys.